Hey, it's Amanda, and I want to show you how to make German potato salad. It's a summer staple, and it's easy AF. All right, this German potato salad is perfect for a backyard picnic, for any kind of barbecue. It goes well with barbecue chicken, it goes well with steak, anything you put on the grill. And maybe we're not going to have our traditional summer outdoor barbecues this year, but you can bring a little bit of that inside. I like a German potato salad because it has bacon, bacon fat, vinegar and mustard for a punch of flavor. And if you didn't know, Freitag means Friday in German. So what you should have already done, we have some Yukon Gold potatoes that are cooked and cut. I like to cook them with the skin on. Just boil them like this and they stay nice and dry. So you don't have a watery, mealy potato salad. And then you just peel the skin and cut them into quarters, eighths, however you like. You can go even smaller if you want. Make sure they're nice and tender. Okay, the best part about German potato salad is bacon. Bacon. Who doesn't love bacon, except for you vegetarians out there? This gives it so much flavor, so much saltiness, and what you must do when you cook your bacon is reserve a little bit of bacon fat for the dressing of the salad. Now this is a salad that is from the southern part of Germany. In the northern part of Germany, they use a lot of mayonnaise-based potato salad. So it makes a lot of sense, right? Different regions have different flavors in every culture. All right, so not only do we have bacon and bacon fat, but I'm using these beautiful spring onions. They're purple and green and delicious. You can use red onion, shallot, white onion. You can use garlic, whatever you like, and mostly whatever you have, right? These days, we don't always have exact ingredients for the recipe. Just switch it up, make it work. These are so beautiful. If you can find them, use them. If not, a regular scallion is good. So I have my bacon fat, I reserved it, and I'm gonna add some cider vinegar and some red wine vinegar. I like to really jazz it up with vinegar, and I like to really go sour on this because the bacon fat and the potatoes are rich, and I want there to be a pop. So I'm using two different vinegars, a little red, a little cider, and I've got about 1/4 cup of bacon fat here. So I'm gonna go almost 2 to 1 because I want that acidity. So I've got 1/2 cup of vinegar. I really want to feel the acid pop. And I have this gorgeous grainy mustard. Grainy mustard goes inside of a lot of German potato salads. You can put mustard seed if you like. If you don't have grainy mustard, go ahead and put regular Dijon mustard. So put about 2 teaspoons in there. And then I have a tiny bit of maple syrup. Now I have all this sour vinegar, right? So I'm gonna put some maple syrup just for a balance of sweetness. And in goes the vinegar. And I want the potatoes to be really heavily coated. And I'm gonna taste this. I'm gonna hold back on some of that acidity and make sure that this vinaigrette is where you want it before it hits the potatoes. Just like making a salad. You wanna make sure your vinaigrette's delicious and then it'll dress the potatoes. Oh my God. Bacon fat in every dressing is your new dressing. Okay, it's the new black. Damn, that's good. Okay, so this is gonna get poured over the potatoes. Look at that. And it's gonna sit, you know, this is always better the day after as it sits and all of these flavors come together. I'm gonna take a couple of pieces of bacon, chop them up. They're crispy and crunchy. You gotta go for crispy bacon on this. I know some people like their bacon a little chewy, some crispy, but once it hits the potato salad, it's gonna soften up a little bit. Just a rough chop. Can you hear that crunch? Okay, and get it in there. And then we're gonna garnish with a little crispy bacon as well. And then just a little bit of parsley. Don't forget your green onion, your spring onion. It already looks beautiful. And this is a great way to change up your usual mayonnaise-based potato salad, which Don't get me wrong, I love that too. I grew up with that. That is one of my favorites. But the German potato salad is so bright, so fresh. It can go next to your macaroni salad and your coleslaw and really change up the table a little bit. Okay, in goes the parsley. Look at that. I mean, honestly, this is already delicious, already good. You can serve it cold and you can serve it warm. You can make this whole thing while your potatoes are warm and serve it warm with, as just a weeknight side dish, honestly. Who wouldn't want this anytime? Now I haven't even added salt to this. I'm gonna add some pepper, but don't forget the bacon is super salty. So you already have your salt in there. And I'm gonna taste this, see where we're at. Because how am I gonna know? I have to taste it. Oh my God. Whoa. That's really good. The mustard kick and the vinegar. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Now I could serve this right now, but like I said, it's gonna get better and better and better, or you could just make it hot and serve it this way. It's really already gorgeous. You can add whatever herbs you like. Some chives would be great. I happen to have parsley. I know herbs right now are also something that, you know, may be hard to get. I'm gonna garnish it with a little parsley and a little more of this crushed bacon. I think I just want more bacon always. And I'm gonna garnish it. Oh my God, everything is better with bacon. And how was that? What do you think? Say it along with me. That was easy AF. Let's take a bite.